Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you Urban VPN for Chrome. Is it the best fast VPN right now? But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Now, if you're hunting around for a completely free way to change your browser location here, well, the Urban VPN extension for Chrome is actually a pretty awesome find with some massive perks. Now, the absolute best part about it is that it gives you truly unlimited data bandwidth for $0. Now, for free VPNs out there, they will basically slap you with a tiny data cap that runs on a 20 minutes. But Urban lets you browse and stream as much as you want without ever cutting yours off. Now, on top of that, you don't even have to create an account, or even register using an email or hand over any payment information. You just add it into Chrome with a single click here, and you're instantly connected. Now, for a free tool here, their global footprint is absolutely massive here, giving you access to locations in over 80 different countries, which is perfect if you are trying to jump past basic website blocks or check out regional content from around the world. Now, it's incredibly user-friendly as well and completely hassle-free for daily casual browsing right inside your browser. Now, because it doesn't cost any cash here, there are just a couple quick trade-offs that you may need to keep in mind. Now, Urban VPN operates on a peer-to-peer network rather than using traditional dedicated servers, so meaning it routes traffic through a community of users and uses a bit of your idle network resources as well. Now, because of this setup, their privacy policy is a bit more relaxed about logging basic connection data compared to an expensive premium VPN. But in this case, if you want a dead simple unlimited free tool to unblock websites on the fly and you're not handling important or sensitive information, well, this is going to be an incredibly convenient option to keep in your browser toolbar. But if you are again handling or using some kind of, or you are handling some important information here and you cannot share those information, well, you are better off finding another option out there that may be or has more or better security in their VPN. But that's about it. So if you found this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.